Is Raj and I'm standing in front of you from American Institute, and today we are with I think by the camera you can watch her very carefully because she has been a part of American and she has been coming here for 4 to 5 months. So today me Raj and I'm going to start some questions with her. You can say it is as a first podcast in American Institute today which we are going to deliver in front of you. By this video you can watch many more things in English, and especially in the society there is a things which going on now, and that is, guys, you know about it, that is discrimination. In Hindi we can say that is bhav. So most of us, in the family we are discriminated by the people of the family. So today I think she is also the part of family in Barabanki. She is facing many kind of problems over there. So my questions which I'm going to ask, that is, if you are part of family, how you can maintain such a things and manage of the family that there is no discrimination of the family, right? So I have a question for Akanksha ma'am because she will reply about it as a daughter what she is facing now in the family. So my first question goes to you ma'am, that is, if you are a part of family, so first of all tell me what kind of responsibility do you have, please.
Actually, sir, especially talk about for the girls. So most have problems faces girls because she makes food firstly, and she washes clothes, and after that she her all responsible, her house all responsibilities, and especially for if I talk about for me, and I make all the food. I make food evening and morning, and I do domestic chores, all the things. And if I want to go to anywhere, so I will have to tell to my mother, my parents, and I will have to ask to my parents and my fathers. So that is the problem I'm facing.
That's nice. So Akanksha ma'am, well, you explained about you what are you doing in your family and what daughter's responsibility you told about it. That's very nice. So second question goes to you, that if you are a part of family as a daughter, right? So is there any discrimination between the boys and the girls? Means that if you are going outside of the home, you have to take permission from your parents, right? So why boys they are not going to take permission, and you are happy to be a daughter of family, or you have a regret that why I became a daughter? You want to give any message to the daughters, those who are watching the videos?
Firstly, I want to tell you my personal question at my home questions. My grandmom said that ki boys are goats. I asked to my grandmom. She said that ki because they can do all the things and they are loyals and they understand all the responsibility also, and they never tells a lie, all the things, and that's why she likes to boys, and that's why she likes to my brother and my brothers and nephew also. And I asked her why you doesn't love to me, and she said that कि I don't like girls. I said that कि you are also girl na, so why you said that कि why you are saying कि I don't like girls, because girls does all the things like home domestic chores and outside work. Girls can do job, and girls understanding all the situation, and they if parents hasn't money, then girls supports to her parents, and she makes food for her family, and grandfathers. My grandfathers loves too much boys, and my buas also loves too much boys. My grandmom, one day my brother was birthday, and he gave 2 chan to my brother, and I said, grandma, please give me to me also, and she said no, it's not important for the girls. I said, why it's not important for the girls? like brother, your son-in-law, and I also daughter-in-law. So you should give to me, na? Me also, na? Then she said that no, boys is very important because they increase the generation, and they give me one glass of water, and they will give me food also, and they will take a hospital, and they will provide all the things and all the facility also. I said I will when I will do job, then I will also give all facility. But she said no, you will go your in-laws house. I said so what, in-law, when I will go in-laws house, then I will do everything from there. So she said you are दूसरे घर की लड़की हो. She said that. So according to me, this is discrimination is wrong, and especially my grandma should not have discriminations boys and girls.
Yeah, well, actually, you defined too much actually about the discrimination, and I can understand if it's actually I'm not a daughter, but I can feel for the daughter because I know, because I have a sister. She has faced so much problems in my family, and she used to make food. Now she is a part of another family, but she is taking the responsibilities of there. So yeah, really, I would like to request you guys, please, and please request to your daughter, request to your sisters of the family, because without them we are nothing, guys. We can manage, we can do the job outside, and we can go for good job, or we can get the handsome salary, but we cannot fulfill the requirement of the family. Those who are going to fulfill that can be the part of family, that is sister and daughter. Without them we are nothing to do in a family, because in a city, as you know guys, most of the daughter, they are housemaid work, and they are domestic help. They are going to another family for sweeping, for making food, for other kind of activities, and they are getting money by that. So if you have a courage to give money, to obviously, so you should give to your wife and your sister. They can earn more than you because they deserve for it, because you made them as a a servant in the family, and they are serving for you. They have the good talent, they can show their talent, but let me tell you guys, let them chance to go out of the family. They will earn too much money, and you cannot compete with the daughter. Really, it is just like we can say, not good for us that we are going to discriminate between daughter and son in the family. So being a part of family, you should respect them, because without them we are nothing. They are going to operate the generation, and they in your family, they are coming for you are going to be reputed in the family, right? And you are going to be like a good name and fame in the society. So by this we can say, don't create any kind of discriminate or partiality in the family. You should give them both equality over there, that they can manage, because I can feel for the daughters, right? Really, because they appreciable and the remarkable work in the family, because they do from morning till evening. They are always busy with you, right? Sometimes if they are not a part of family, so we have seen that our house is going to be a graveyard, guys, because we people are not going to focus on hygiene, and the family, the dustbins, garbage are here and there, are strewn up over there. We are not going to clean that. So mother and daughter, only they are such a members, those who are managed in the family. So really I appreciate them. And being an educated person, guys, please don't create any kind of ruckus in the family, and you should respect your sister and your mother and your daughter, please. It's my being a teacher, I would like to convey this message to everybody. Please and please respect them, and don't create any kind of discrimination that they can feel after getting married. So okay, so Akansha ma'am, thank you so much to be a part of. So how we can overcome this? I told you something, but do you want to speak something regarding the daughter, that how it can be finish or eradicate this discrimination according to you?
According to me, boys should understand all the things, and boys helps to all the work in a sisters, and fathers and mothers, fathers and grandpa and grandmoms also see like a one eyes, what a boy, she's a girl and she's a boy, it doesn't matter, she also works at your home, and yes, for you, and boys also. So according to me, no one discriminations to girls and boys.
That's nice. So I think you understood that what she said, guys, because we are making videos not for any kind of like creator issues. Only I would like to give you the masses that guys, really you should respect to your family members, especially the daughters and son, and especially mother, because they gave you the birth. That's why. सो प्लीज़ लाइक यू हैव टू डू वर्क फॉर आइडेंटिटी कैन बी मेड, है ना. लाइक कहते नहीं है कि काम करो ऐसा कि पहचान बन जाए, एंड हर कदम चलो ऐसे कि निशान बन जाए. यहाँ ज़िंदगी तो हर कोई काट लेता है, मगर ज़िंदगी जी वैसे कि मिसाल बन जाए. थैंक यू सो मच एंड मीट यू विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक गाइस. मिलते हैं दूसरे पॉडकास्ट में. थैंक यू सो मच.